This mission is top secret.
Hi all, in this video we're going to be taking a look at the anonymization tool in the develop module. Anonymization can be used to cover faces and license plates, and you can pixelize, blur, or cover them with a color. So let's go take a look. So we already went over how to add this tool to Zoner Photo Studio X in the highlighter video, but just in case you missed it, here's the link, and you'll also find the link in the description, so be sure to check that out so that you know how to actually activate it. So to add these three tools, the highlighter, anonymization, and annotation to Zoner Photo Studio X, we'll activate them by clicking Preferences, Other, and at the very bottom, check the box next to Show Tools for Work with Documents in the Manager and Develop. Then click Apply. Now you can see that the three additional tools have been added in Develop in the right panel under the existing tools right here. There's the highlighter, anonymization, and also annotation. Now let's select anonymization. We've got two choices, detect faces or detect license plate. Zoner Photo Studio X uses these two tools to automatically detect all the faces that are existing on the photo or all license plates on the photo, and it covers them using the method that you choose. Now I'm going to choose detect faces for this particular example. We're going to use the elliptical or rectangular selection to select. For example, you can select only one face or select a face that wasn't detected by ZPSX. Now, Zoner Photo Studio X didn't detect faces that were taken from the side in my photo, so let's select them using the elliptical selection. Next, let's choose our method, pixelize, blur, or color. If you choose color, you can choose which color covers the faces of license plates. I'm gonna choose blur because it seems the least invasive. Now, set the intensity for your chosen method. Notice that if we put it all the way down, you can see that the facial features show a bit, but not enough to really be recognizable. And if we increase it, then there are big blurry chunks. Now the last slider you can adjust is gradient width. Now this is not applied in bulk, but to each face that you select. So hover over your selection, click, and then adjust the gradient width for each selection. Increasing it will make it fade away into nothing, but it may reveal some of the facial features. Do the same thing for the license plates. Just click Detect License Plate first. By the way, if you have several photos you want to do this on at once, select them in the film strip or browser. Then click Detect License Plate under Anonymize. Now, when we go back to the preview, you can see that it has blurred all of our license plates. Now, if you're interested about learning more tips for batch editing, there's a link here, but you'll also find the link to that video in the description. You might notice that the elliptical and rectangular selections have disappeared when batch editing, and that's because you can't apply these tools all at once. If Zoner Photo Studio X doesn't detect everything you need, open that photo and cover the face or license plate manually. All right, so that's how you use the anonymization tool in Zoner Photo Studio X. Try it out on your own photos so that you can see what sort of batch editing and sort of tweaks and edits that you can do with your own photos. Hope you guys liked it. Give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video. See you later.